Let's study for Life Sciences paper. 1. The male reproductive system, structure and function. 1. Testes, housed within the scrotum. Function, primary reproductive organs in males. Produce sperm cells, which are essential for fertilization. Produce the hormone testosterone, responsible for male characteristics and sperm maturation. 2. Scrotum, external sac-like structure. Function, protects and houses the testes. Keeps the testes at a temperature 2 degrees below body's standard, 37 degrees Celsius, so 35 degrees Celsius is optimal for sperm production. 3. Epididymis. It's a coiled tube on the back of each testis. Function, the site where sperm mature and are stored. 4. Sperm duct, vas deferens. Extends from the epididymis to the urethra. Function, transports sperm from the epididymis to the urethra. 5. Seminal vesicle, found behind the bladder. Function, produces a nutrient-rich fluid, providing energy to sperm, which makes up a significant portion of semen. 6. Prostate gland, found below the bladder in front of the rectum. Function, produces an alkaline fluid, neutralizing acidic conditions in the vagina, ensuring sperm survival. 7. Cowper's gland, bulbourethral gland, found near the base of the penis. Function, produces mucus aiding in sperm movement and providing lubrication. 8. Urethra, a tube that runs through the penis. Function, dual-purpose duct transporting both semen, during ejaculation, and urine, during urination, out of the body. Functions of testosterone. Produced by the testes, this hormone plays a pivotal role in the male reproductive system. 1. Development of male secondary sexual characteristics. Examples: growth of facial and pubic hair, deepening voice and muscle development. 2. Stimulates the maturation of sperm cells, ensuring fertility and the capability to reproduce. The male reproductive system operates in a synchronized manner. During ejaculation, sperm travel from the testes through the epididymis and vas deferens, mixing with fluids from the seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and Cowper's gland to form semen, which is then expelled through the urethra. Next, let's have a look at the structure of a sperm cell. Acrosome. This cap-like structure at the head of the sperm cell does contain enzymes like hyaluronidase and acrosin that allow it to penetrate the layer surrounding the egg during fertilization. Nucleus. The nucleus of a sperm cell does carry 23 chromosomes, combining with the 23 chromosomes of the female egg to produce a zygote with the full complement of 46 chromosomes in humans. Mitochondria. Mitochondria produce ATP, which provides energy for sperm motility, allowing it to actively swim and move its tail. This enables sperm to travel to meet the egg. Tail. The tail, clinically known as the flagellum, does propel the sperm cell forward using a whipping motion. This provides the swimming capability that allows sperm to navigate the female reproductive system. This system is intricate and influenced by various factors, including hormones, neural signals, and external stimuli. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section below. 1. The female reproduction system means 1. Ovaries. 2 almond-shaped organs that produce egg cells, ova, and secrete estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen contributes to puberty and the menstrual cycle. Progesterone helps prepare the uterus for pregnancy. 2. Fallopian tubes, narrow tubes connected to the upper part of the uterus. Each month, one of the ovaries releases an egg into a fallopian tube. This is where fertilization of the egg by a sperm occurs. The fertilized egg then moves down the tube towards the uterus. 3. Uterus, hollow, pear-shaped muscular organ where the development of the fetus takes place during pregnancy. Its inner lining, endometrium, thickens each month to prepare for implantation of a fertilized egg. If no pregnancy occurs, this lining is shed during menstruation. 4. Endometrium, inner lining of the uterus that thickens and is shed during the menstrual cycle. Site of implantation if fertilization occurs. 5. Cervix, lower portion of the uterus that opens into the vagina. It dilates during childbirth to allow delivery of the baby. It has a small opening through which sperm enter the uterus. 6. Vagina, muscular canal that extends from the cervix to the exterior genitals. It receives the penis during sexual intercourse. It also serves as the passageway through which menstrual blood exits the body and babies are born. The female reproductive cycle has two main phases controlled by hormones. 1. Follicular phase. Estrogen causes the uterine lining to thicken and an egg to mature in the ovaries. 2. Ovulation. The mature egg is released from the ovary into the fallopian tube. This marks the most fertile period. If the egg is fertilized, it will implant in the nutrient-rich endometrium, and pregnancy begins as progesterone levels rise. If not, estrogen and progesterone decline, the uterine lining breaks down, and menstruation occurs. This cycle then repeats itself approximately every 28 days until menopause.